how to fix LG error code 201. So first of all, the first step is to select the correct time zone. For this, you need to go to the settings of your TV, and then you need to go to the all settings. Just tap on all settings. After that, you need to go to the general option. You can see, and in general option there is an option of time. Just select on time, and from here you need to press set automatically. Just select this option, set automatically, and it will set your time and date automatically. So the next step is to clear the web browser cache. So from the dashboard of your TV, you need to go to the web browser app. So select the web browser app from here. Just select on this. So from the top, you need to go to the top of the menu. So click on these three dots from the menu and click on settings. Settings. So when you will scroll down, at the bottom you can see clear browsing data, clear cookies and clear all browsing data is showing. Just tap on this. First click on clear cookies. Click on yes. Now go to clear all browser settings. Click on yes. So the next step is to check your internet connection, router and plug-in cable. So check them properly. And after that, if all these steps does not work, you can go to the factory reset. I hope you know how to factory reset. You can simply go to the settings of your TV, and from here find the option to factory reset. At the bottom you can see support option is there, and at the last you can see reset to initial settings. So you can simply press to reset to initial settings and reset your TV. Now after that, make sure to restart your TV and check whether you are getting this error message or not. And if you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.